In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom fonts on Canva. Personalizing your designs with unique fonts can make your work truly stand out, whether it's for social media, presentations, or fun creative projects. First, open your design in Canva and click on the text element you want to customize. You'll know it's selected when you see a box around it. This is your starting point for applying your custom font. With your text selected, look at the toolbar at the top. Click on the current font name to open the drop-down menu showing all available Canva fonts. Here's the magic part: uploading your own font. Click on Upload a Font. Keep in mind, this feature is available only to Canva Pro users, so make sure you have access. You'll need a font file on your computer in a compatible format such as TTF, OTF, or WOFF. Click to upload, navigate to your font file, and select it. Don't worry if it takes a few seconds to upload. That's normal. Once uploaded, your font will appear in the font list. Go back to your text element, open the font dropdown, and select your custom font. Watch as your text transforms instantly into your chosen style. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily use custom fonts in Canva, adding a personal touch and boosting the aesthetic appeal of your designs. Experiment with different fonts and have fun crafting unique visuals. Enjoy creating your one-of-a-kind designs, and thanks for watching.